For over 40 years, Compass Wire has been the premier fabricator for replacement screens for all OEM equipment.
The screens we make here at Compass Wire go to a variety of industries, some of them being food, pharmaceutical, sand quarries, rock quarries, and those screens service both local and international customers.
I've been with Compass Wire for the past 30 years, and over that time we've seen a lot of industry ups and downs, but I think our biggest improvement was moving into our new facility. We went from a 15,000 square foot small leased building to a 65,000 plus manufacturing facility in Vineland, New Jersey.
What separates Compass from our competition is that whenever our customers call into our office, they're going to get a human being on the phone. They're going to get a voice, and not just an order taker. They're going to get somebody that's willing to troubleshoot and solve problems.
We have a dedicated team of account managers who go over each and every order in detail. We also have terrific production supervisors who have years of experience with all the kinds of products that we offer. We've also recently expanded our quality control team. They work hand in hand with the production team to ensure that nothing goes out the door without meeting ISO standards and our own company standards as well.
What separates Compass Wire from our competitors is our quick turnarounds and our experienced staff. So the quick turnaround happens because our owners are very big on our wide range of inventory. And then our experienced staff, we know how to get the product done. A lot of our staff has been here for 10 plus years. So we catch a lot of mistakes before they even get out the door, before they get to the customer.
Compass Wire ensures we are consistently delivering quality product by maintaining documented processes for our production staff to follow. These processes conform to our quality management system and are evaluated on a regular basis by our team of ISO 9001 internal auditors.
We've been in business for over 40 years, and I want to take a moment to say thank you to all of our customers. You've made this 40 years very special, and we are happy to have you a part of the Compass Wire family.